Hey everyone, are you ready to find something super cool on your computer? It's like a secret, magical place where you can write down all your awesome stories and ideas. Let's check it out.
Okay, let me ask you something. You know when you're drawing or writing and you wish your notebook had 1,000,000 pages, like it would just never ever run out of paper? Well, guess what? That kind of magical notebook is real and it's right on your computer.
And here it is, ta-da! It's called Microsoft Word. See that? It's our magical notebook. It kind of looks like a book with a giant W on it, and W is for Word. This is the cool tool we're going to learn all about today. All right, so we've found our magical Word book, but what can you do with it? Well, let's dive in and see all the awesome stuff you can make. Whoa, look at all the things you can do. You could type a letter to your grandma. Or, check this out, you could make a really cool school project. And you know what's super fun? You can even add your own pictures right onto the page. How cool is that?
You know, this tool has a kind of a big, fancy name. It's called a word processor. That sounds complicated, right? But it's not. All it means is that it's a special tool that lets you type words, fix them if you make a little mistake, and add photos. That's it. Super easy.
Okay, so if we're going to write our amazing stories, we first need to know how to open our magical book, right? And then, when we're all done, we need to know how to close it. So let's learn how to get started. It's actually super easy to open. First, you just find the Start button on your computer screen. It's usually hiding in a corner. Click it. Then, just look for that blue Word icon, the one with the W. Find it? Okay, give that a click, and boom, you're in.
And when it's time to stop, closing it is just as easy. You just have to look way up in the top corner of the page. You'll see a few little buttons. Just find the one that's an X. Click on that X, and that's it. Your magical notebook is all closed up until you need it again.
All right, so we know how to open it. Now for the really fun part. Let's take a peek inside and see what our page looks like. Come on, let's go on a little tour. And there it is. Look at that. A big, clean, white page. It's kind of like opening a brand new notebook to the very first page, isn't it? It's totally empty and just waiting for you to fill it up with awesome ideas and stories. Okay, look way up at the very top of the page. See that long bar? That's called the title bar. And its job is really important. It tells you the name of your story, just like the cover of a book, so you always know which story you're working on. Hey, remember that little X we talked about for closing the page? Well, look, it lives right up here in the corner with a couple of friends. These little buttons are your window icons. They're like your remote control for the page. You can make it bigger, smaller, or close it all the way.
Okay, now we get to my favorite part. Typing words is cool, but what if we could make them colorful? What if we could make them look really pretty? Let's check out how to make our writing look just as amazing as our ideas.
The way we do that is with something called the toolbar. And I want you to think of it like this. It's a giant magical box of crayons, but for your computer. A whole box of digital crayons just for your words. So, where is this crayon box? It's right up here. See all these little buttons and pictures? That's the toolbar. With these, you can make your words really big or super tiny. You can make them bold and strong, or even change them to any color you want. Red, blue, purple, anything. It's so much fun. So there you have it. You know how to open your magical notebook, you've seen the blank page, and you know all about the digital crayon box. Now, there's only one thing left to think about. What amazing story are you going to write first? Your blank page is waiting for you.
Practice makes perfect. This is Teacher Donna. See you on my next video.